Well, Cody and I are back in the woods today. We're excited about a cool hunt we're getting to do. We're getting to hunt with 3 young guys today. We're out at Quail Ridge, and we'll be hunting quail, pheasant, and chucker.
That's right, we're going to have a cool hunt today. Standing next to me is Ryan and his dad. We actually auctioned off a hunt, and they were the winners of that auction, as well as Kurt and his dad. Now, Kurt is deaf, but he's a heck of a shot. We met him at the hunting show last spring and decided to have him come out and do a show with us. He is disabled, but disabled people can get out and enjoy the outdoors just like anybody else. And then we have Dalton, who will be referring to as Dude throughout the show. He's our outdoor team member who won the drawing for a hunt with us. Decided to come out and go bird hunting, so I think we're going to have a great time. But Rocky, who's our guide today, I think it's time to get out in the field.
Let's go.
Let's get these dogs hunting.
Okay. One more time, I'd like to talk to y'all real quick about safety. I want you guys to stay on safe at all times. Once the dogs point and the birds clear the ground, then you can punch your safety and be ready to shoot. Don't shoot unless the bird clears the ground at least 5 to 6 feet.
All right.
Okay?
You got it?
Let's have fun.
Let's go. All right.
Whoa. 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 Whoa.
And they're off.
Let's go.
Dog on point.
Take Ryan on up.
Whoa.
Ryan's going to be hunting first.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Easy. Careful. Careful.
Dog is moving.
Where is he? Bird. Careful.
Well, I did. I was gonna shoot.
Oh, come here.
Well, we've seen a few birds jump up. 1 pheasant, a few quail, and the dogs are working another part of the field now, and we're easing Ryan up. He's up for the shot.
Fudge. Ho.
Get ready.
Ho. Fudge. Whoa. Whoa. He's on up. Right up here. Whoa. There she goes. Now get it. Oh, you hit her in second round.
Watch her, she may go down. She's down over by the pond somewhere.
We'll find her.
Yeah, she in a tree.
We'll find her. Ho.
Well, we had a couple shots. I think you hit her on that second one.
That don't normally happen.
Yeah.
All right.
There you go. Good shot. That was a pretty bird there.
Well, I'll stay right here.
Big rooster.
Here.
Good shot.
Yeah, he's a pretty bird.
You look like you've done this a time or two.
Yeah.
Good job. All right.
Good shot, dude.
Good rooster.
Good shot.
Good
Good
rooster.
shot, bud. Good shot.
All right. This is the first bird of the day. He flew good, perfect away. Kind of in the wind, so.
He did take the wind.
Yeah.
That surprised me that he went through the wind. I figured he'd circle back.
Birds are acting crazy today. They're getting up and moving. Yep. That's a good thing. Makes it harder. Makes it a challenge.
Yeah.
All right, so bird is up.
I think they're getting.
What we'll do, come on around this side of the tree, and we'll try to push him out that way.
Well, we can bring him out this side.
You want to bring him out that side?
I think that'd be your best.
All right.
That'd be your best.
Yeah.
Your best shot. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
All right, yeah, get ready.
Here, here, here.
He's right in the tree line. That bird got the wind behind it.
Oh, it did.
Got the wind behind it, was moving on.
I told him jinxed and talking about how good a shot he was.
Oh, he'll get another chance.
Come in here, bird. Easy,
All right, let's follow him.
easy. All right, you done busted that. All right. Whoa. 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 Jasper, whoa. Good dog, whoa. It's a
All right.
bird. He's laying right here. You know, you stay right there. You go right there. In between. There you go.
Get it.
Okay.
Some fours.
He's down
Just
now.
20 gauge.
Quail's right up there.
Yeah.
Come on.
All right.
Oh,
Come on, boy.
Cody!
Where'd it go?
Just right here. Right back here in that pocket.
Word.
You know, tell him he can rain.
Easy. Easy. Careful. Careful.
He come down right here.
You could have run for 100 miles.
Oh yeah. So you're 13, right?
Yes, sir.
How long you been hunting?
Since I was 9.
Since you were 9. Hey, getting started early. I think that's about the time I started.
Good age to start.
No lie. 2 is a good age to start, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't think we're going to find him right here.
He may not. He probably run.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Here he is. Whoa.
That's a lock there.
Jasper,
Which-
whoa.
Which side you want to take him out of?
Whoa. It's a chucker and he goes wild. He just didn't stay quite long enough.
He's down pretty quick though over that hill.
That's that chucker and run up
Yeah. Pull it up underneath that cedar.
Mm-hmm. He didn't wasn't going to stay no longer.
Quail's right up there.
He's pointing.
All right, we got a dog on point.
No.
Yeah.
You'll be able to see him.
Yeah.
Jasper, careful, careful. Bird, 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 careful right here. Bird, right here. Careful, careful. Bird, bird, careful. Ho, ho. Here he is. Ho, ho.
Right.
Jasper, whoa! There he
Get-
goes.
Which shells are you using?
Time, so just take your time, make a good shot. Okay? Don't get in a hurry.
Hurrying's bad. Accidents happen when you hurry.
Oh, bud, get in here. Get up here.
You can get Nancy.
Bird. We're fixing to get into water quail up here.
Okay.
He wasn't dead. 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 Bird. He just got past the bird when he smelled it. Bird. Easy. Bird's easy. Good man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, yeah.
Good shot.
Dead.
Good shot.
Dead. Fetch him here, Pudge. Dead. Fetch him here.
Dude is on today.
Jasper shouldn't get
Jasper, here.
That was a good shot. We had 2 birds jump up in front of us. He decided to go with a little easier shot, the one that's open. Yeah, safer shot. Getting a back massage there.
Yeah.
Good shot, dude.
Quail.
Good shot, dog.
Dad,
Is he heavy?
he's kicking.
He's
kicking.
he's getting a back massage. All right, you get to
Come
go
on.
out and shoot him.
Whoa, got a bird right
He gets to
here.
go out and shoot him in the
Got a
tree.
bird right
Right
here.
there.
Cody.
Whoa, there he goes.
There you go. Woo! All right, good shot.
Fetch him here, Jasper. Good man. Here.
Good shot.
Good man. Good boy. Good boy. Good.
Well, that was about a perfect shot, wasn't it?
Okay, good boy.
Wind was good for that one and everything.
Good job.
Good shot.
Come on, boys.
Another chucker down.
Bird. Whoa, Pudge. Okay. That bird's there. He's trying to circle and keep him from running off. Whoa. Jasper, whoa. Come on up, Ryan.
Go up there with Rocky, Ryan.
That bird's going to be ready here.
All right, get ready, buddy.
Stay ready. Whoa. There's going to be a bird right here. Come kick the grass as you go. Whoa,
There he goes. Get him. Well, everybody has had an awesome time out here at Quail Ridge. We've had a lot of birds get up, a lot of great shots. Had a hard wind today and the birds were moving fast. But I tell you what, these young guys proved that just because they're young doesn't mean they can't shoot. We had a great time out here and looking forward to anything else that we can do with these guys, and always enjoy having young kids out with us. And just want to thank everybody for being a part of On the Water in the Woods with Cody and Cody. We had a great time with y'all.
That's right, and Rocky, thanks for being our guide today. Had a good time. The dogs were great, and that's always cool being able to get out and see the dogs work and just watching how instinctive they are. That's always pretty cool. But if you're wanting to come out to hunt Quail Ridge, give them a call at the number at the bottom of the screen. But until next time, let's hit the water.